welcome back to Shabest online tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to find the moment generating function of a gamma distribution. And the gamma distribution, x is distributed gamma into parameter alpha comma theta. So the function f of x is the same as what theta raised to the power of alpha all over gamma of alpha multiplied by what x to the power of alpha minus 1, then e raised to the power of minus theta x, and x is greater than 0. So the moment generating function m of t sub x, which is equal to what? Expected value of etx, which is the same as what? Integral from negative infinity to positive infinity etx, then f of x dx. So m of t sub x, which is the moment, is equal to what? Integral. Remember, x is ranging from 0 to positive infinity. We have 0 to positive infinity, then etx, and f of x, which is the function, is what? Theta raised to the power of alpha all over gamma of alpha x to the power of alpha minus 1 e raised to the power of minus theta x, then dx. So m sub x of t will be equal to what? We're going to take this constant out. It's going to be what? Theta raised to the power of alpha all over gamma of alpha, then integral from 0 to positive infinity, then x to the power of alpha minus 1. Then we are going to multiply these two together. So since the bases are the same, we write one of the base, then we add the power. So the first power is what? Tx, then plus and minus is going to be minus, then theta x dx. So m sub x of t now will be equal to what? Theta raised to the power of alpha all over gamma of alpha integral from 0 to positive infinity x to the power of alpha minus 1, then e raised to the power of, we're going to factor negative out, then we open bracket, also we factor x out. It's going to be what? Theta minus t, then x. So when you expand this, it's going to give us tx minus theta x, then with respect to the x. Now we let u to be equal to what? The power, which is theta minus t multiplied by x. So from here, x now will be equal to get x, we are going to divide through by theta minus t. So it's going to be what? U over theta minus t. Then if you differentiate this, we are going to have the x, which is the same as what? Du all over theta minus t. Now we're going to replace it back to this. We're going to have what? M sub x of t, which is equal to what? Theta raised to the power of alpha all over gamma of alpha into integral from 0 to positive infinity. In place of x is going to be what? U all over theta minus t. So this is the same as what? U to the power of alpha minus 1 all over theta minus t raised to the power of alpha minus 1. Then e, then minus, remember that theta minus t multiplied by x is the same as u. So it's going to be minus u, and the x is the same as what? Du all over theta minus t. Then m sub x of t now will be equal to what? Theta raised to the power of alpha all over gamma of alpha into integral from 0 to positive infinity, then u to the power of alpha minus 1 over, this is the same as what? Theta minus t raised to the power of alpha multiplied by what? 1 all over theta minus t. So if you multiply this by this, it's going to be the same, because if this one goes up, it's going to change to negative 1. Then exponential raised to the power of minus u, then du all over theta minus t. So that this theta minus t is going to cancel out this theta minus t. So the reason why this cancel this, because both of them are in the denominator, and this one is 1 all over. That means this is divide this, so its cancel is going to be 1. So we're going to take this one out. So we're going to have what? Have m sub x of t, which is equal to theta raised to the power of alpha all over. When we take this out, it's going to be what? Theta minus t raised to the power of alpha, then multiply by what? Gamma of alpha. Then integral from 0 to positive infinity, This is out already and this is cancelled. So it will remain only u to the power of alpha minus 1, then e to the power of minus u, then du. And the whole of this is the same as what? Gamma of alpha. So when we multiply this by this, it's going to be what? M sub x of t, which is equal to gamma of alpha multiplied by theta raised to the power of alpha over theta minus t raised to the power of alpha, then gamma of alpha. So that this gamma of alpha is going to cancel out this gamma of alpha. So m sub x of t now will be equal to what? Theta raised to the power of alpha all over what? Theta minus t raised to the power of alpha. So this is the same as what? Theta all over theta minus t, then all raised to the power of alpha. So this is the moment generating function of a gamma distribution. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.